Linear key features. So we have x-intercept and 0, which mean the same thing, where we touch the x-axis, the x. So let's look at where we touch the x-axis. We have -2, 0. So I have -2, 0, -2, 0. They're the same thing, same answer. And then remember, another word that means x-intercept is ground. Ground, root, or solution. Solution. So then let's look at y-intercept. Y-intercept is where we touch the y-axis. The y-axis, which is 0, 4. 0, 4. Another word for y-intercept is initial value or starting value. Then we have our slope. Slope. Remember, slope is another word for m, our m. We have the equation y equals mx plus b. Remember, our m is always in front of the x, enfrente de la x. So see, if we're looking at this equation, my 2 is in front of my x. So m equals 2. If you wanted to do it by hand, si quisiste hacerlo de mano, you can grab 2 points. That's 2 points. -4, -4, 2, 8. Y puedes hacer x1, y1, x2, y2, and use the equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So ponemos 8 minus -4 over 2 minus -4. And we go to our calculator. Calculate. Ponemos control divide. Parentheses 8 minus -4 over 2 minus -4, and that gave me 2. Es la misma respuesta de esto. Okay? So there's 2 ways to do it, or puedes hacer la tabla con los 2 puntos también. You can do the table with the 2 points as well. So let's try an example. Okay? It says, the graph of line H is shown on the grid. What is the x-intercept, the y-intercept, and the slope of line H? So remember, the x-intercept is on the x-axis. X-axis. Okay? So we have 20, 0, 20, 0. So then let's look at my answer choices. X-intercept 0, 20, x-intercept 3, 0, x-intercept 20, 0, x-intercept 3, 0. We know that this is wrong, and this is wrong. So we can eliminate A, B, and C. So, A, B, and D, sorry. So C is my answer, but let's check the rest of them. So we have the y-intercept, which is roughly about, the y-intercept 0, is roughly about 10. So 0, 10, and let's look, we have 0, 10, which is correct. So then let's look at the slope. So you have 0, 10, and 10, 20. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So you have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is 0 minus 10 over 20 minus 0. So let's put that in our calculator. Control divide, parentheses 0 minus 10 over 20 minus 0. Enter -1/2, which is correct. So C will be my answer. So let's try number 2. Example 2. A paper airplane was thrown from the top of a tall building. The height of the paper airplane above the ground can be found using the function y equals -2.5x plus 50, where x is the time in seconds the airplane has been in the air. How many seconds did it take the paper airplane to reach the ground? Record your answer in the box below. So my important word in this is ground. Remember, ground means x-intercept. So let's go to the graph. We're going to go graph, and we're going to graph this equation. Negative 2.5x plus 50, enter. And nothing showed up. So we're going to do menu, 5, 1. Menu, 5, 1. And we have 0, 50. But remember, we're looking for the x-intercept, which is down here. So we're going to go right, all the way till we hit the x-intercept. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's going to take a minute. Oh, there we go. And we have 20, 0. So 20, 0 is right here. 20, 0. So my answer is 20. And that's a positive 20. And those are our 2 examples.